time.
No, wait, because I can't do it in front of you when you're doing it. But just pretend you're not
No,
doing it.
no, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
That's what Prue was trying to do. It's just like, it's really.
No! Can you do it? Can anybody do
It's
it?
like breaking a pane of glass with your hips. But I can't do it. I can't do it.
Wait. It's keeping your arms parallel. Hang on.
I can't do it.
Like that.
Oh, Linnea, you got it. You're
Fucking
really good at
Linnea, you can do anything.
Send it to Prue.
I am.
I can't.
Are you doing it?
Am I doing it? I always think I'm not doing
Imagine
it.
breaking a pane of glass.
You have to keep your.
Are you breaking glass?
That's what I imagined.
You have to keep your arms
do it.
parallel.
I can't do it.
Oh, I don't know where I am now.
It's pretty hot. Pretty hot indeed. Are you breaking glass? Sorry, you ate my cat? I didn't want to give her the Howie because I couldn't even look her in the eyes. Is it a 30? A theory? Does she have sources? I would like to walk to Brooklyn. Street closures. It smells like pancakes and pizza. That sounds good. The most direct, underground. Sanpo, Aruku, along four fences in a line. A bucket of birdies spilling out onto sand. Click spin, click spin, click spin. Kss. Precious, flat, face, boat, motor pose, triangles, triangles. My hair was floating in pink with rabbits and bears. Lime waves mixed with red, blue, and white. I was catching anything I could from the air and the ceiling. Rush, drip, waves all the way down. Downstairs, they said, whilst looking in your bowl. Katya, got 'em! An A-star grid, plus a checked marker. Batsu, ping pong, ping. Yellow and purple.